Alright, boys and girls, so this is the next step in your writing. So now we're working on revising to make your realistic fictions better and so they flow better. And specifically today, we're going to be looking at using signal words for your events. Okay, we all have events. You have begins in the middle, well, beginning, middle, and end. So we need to make sure that we are using proper signal words to tell the correct order. Okay, so that's what we're going to be doing today, and you're still going to be working in your notebook. By the end of the week, you will start to type all these things up, okay? But for right now, we're just going to be putting in our notebook, adding signal words. That's why I had you skip lines to where your events start to take place. All right, so here's a example. So yours is in the draft right now. Yours might be in the draft. So you don't see really any signal words at all. So Zane approached the cat cautiously as he drank the milk. He held out one hand and said, "Hey, it's okay." He patted its long matted fur. He picked up the cat and carried it inside. So in revising using your signal words, you would put "at first." Zane approached the cat cautiously as it drank. And then you give it a time period. After a minute, he held out one hand and said, "Hey, it's okay." Then he patted its long matted fur. At last, so the last thing he did, he picked up the cat and carried it inside. So I want to see some of these signal words in your transitioning from one event to the next. So you've got two sets of signal words. One was a 2-page document. Okay, and one of your classmates can probably hold it up if you don't remember what it looked like. And then Miss Scribner should have given you another one, or you should have another 1-pager for like transition words, or it's called signal words. So you should have some ideas of where to put some of these, okay? So that's what you're doing today. So you're going to get the small group time today to kind of put in some of those signal words, okay, to make it sound better. All right, and it also gives the reader, which is going to be your peer or someone else, it also gives them an idea of when everything's happening. Like maybe it was after a minute, it could have been after an hour. Maybe it took the cat an hour until, he came to his hand. Okay? So it just gives the reader kind of more an idea of when your events are taking place. All right, well, if you need anything, just email me, but this is all you're doing for writing today is adding in those signal words to your events. All right, boys and girls, have a good one. Have a good Wednesday.